it's your girl T and welcome to my channel. So much has changed since the last time I posted a video on here. I am now in school to become a licensed esthetician, and in this video I'm going to be taking you along with me throughout my first month of school. So as you can see, this is our kit, and usually on the first day of class we have Kitmas, which is where we pretty much unbox all of our equipment and our supplies that we'll be needing for class.
Hello, mannequin head. Okay, I'm good.
So the second thing that we got is our makeup kits or makeup trunk. In aesthetic school, you also learn about makeup. And in this plastic container, we have aesthetic wipes, cotton balls, tweezers, and all that good stuff. The next thing I'm showing you right here is our Dermalogica bag, which we have about 20 plus facial products. And like, look at this stuff.
This is an unboxing. It's just me and my twin in them. Girlfriend, you're killing them.
Boy, if you don't get...
Hold up, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? Absolutely not. Look at this shit. A whole nother compartment full of products.
Okay, so I believe this is the next day or a few days later. So quick side note, you know how we are as black women. We got braids one day, wig one day, natural one day. Throughout this whole month video, I will have about 4 or 5 hairstyles. Just go with it.
Oh yeah, we can't have nails on. I'm devastated.
Now I'm unboxing our second makeup kit, which consists of makeup wipes, makeup brushes, eyeshadow palettes, concealers. No lie, it took like 2 to 3 minutes for me to open that. Why was it so hard? I don't understand.
Okay, that's good. Those look really, really nice. Oh, it's mascara and lip liners and eyeliner. Foundation for days. I'm supposed to be a beauty guru. Okay, I'm kidding. I still don't know how to do makeup. I barely know how to do my own.
And just like that, it is already week 2. Shout out to my instructor, Jen. She is showing us for the first time how to do facials. And she's also doing extractions.
I'm not supposed to have nails, as you know, but this is the oil that we put on a mannequin to practice with. So these are the actual products. The pre-cleanse, which we're going to be using on each other. Jasmine's going to let me do a facial on her. I don't know how she trusts me, but baby, we're just going to pray through it. Your girl is in the nude. Just kidding, I have a bandeau top on.
Sides of the mouth, upper lip, and then turn her sides of the cheeks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side. 1, 2, 3.
Just when you guys thought that beauty school was easy, I'm here to tell you that it ain't. Just setting up right now for a facial on Jasmine. This is Anna, my classmate. What's up? Hey, girl.
I'm gonna tell you right now, I do not know what I'm doing. I was acting so nervous. Jasmine was laughing. It was chaotic, but we're learning.
Nodes in front of the ear and the submandibular lymph nodes along the jawline. Lymph drains along the jaw to the anterior lymph nodes and down.
I'm doing a review with Jasmine. I just got done doing her facial. Her skin type is sensitive. We use the pre-cleanse first by Dermalogica. And then for the second cleanse of the facial, we use the special cleansing gel. And Jasmine, how was it, girl?
When she was doing her facial, I feel like you could work on the eyes a lot more.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Like 1, then 2 above the eyebrows, then to the head.
Got you.
Work on the 3.
And I...
Look at that.
Everything else was good.
Wow, thank you, girl. Yeah.
Sorry guys, I look a mess.
She looks cute. Her skin is glowing. Look at it. Look at it. It's dimples. It took an act of Congress for me to even put on lashes and some eyeshadow today. Okay, so, and this wig is wigging. That's Callie and Tara. What it do? This is brown sugar. Shout out to Callie for getting some brown sugar. Okay, I guess I gotta explain what's going on right now. We're supposed to be making mask or scrubs today. I chose to make a scrub, but you know, if I end up making a mask, whatever. Sponsored by Tara's Own. So first we're gonna get the brown sugar. That'll be too close to the nails, they look a mess. Fucking shit up. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay, I would say about a quarter size. A little more if you're greedy. Jasmine did a really good job. Hers is like banana, Coke, like coffee, brown sugar, honey.
It really smells good. What is the smell? Can't tell you a secret. Give you a review.
Yes, girl. Okay. Initial review. So this is my concoction.
This smells delightful. Okay. Put it on the skin. Let's see how it feels.
Okay.
Very nice. Texture on point.
I thought it was a lot of oil. I couldn't soak up the oil for some reason.
It's alright. Oil means moisture. It's locking in that moisture. Okay.
That's what yours is like, girl.
Yeah, it's like.
We
got a little bit of banana in there.
Okay, period.
Sugar.
Yep.
Some coffee grounds. Some honey. Some yogurt.
The smell, it has a nice little aroma to it.
I like how you did the oats and the sugar.
Yeah.
It's neat.
It's not too rough on your skin.
It's not too rough. I mean, like, it's a little harder applying it.
Alright, come on, a reaction video. How did the scrub feel after you washed your hands?
It feels very soft. And it smells good, too. I can smell the brown sugar. You put brown sugar? Yeah. I can smell the brown sugar. It smells pretty good.
Yeah. Okay, look, I tried. Thank you. Ebony, what you make, girl?
I made a scrub. Okay. It has grapeseed.
Yes.
Vitamin E oil. Red cherry.
Yours looks good, too. I like the texture.
The haul is so cute. Look at that.
Adorable.
Thank you so much for watching and being a part of this journey with me. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.